Truth made clear.
Every evening, after Maghrib prayer and a warm dinner, the children would gather close to their beloved grandmother. They'd sit on the floor, eyes wide with anticipation, as she prepared to tell them another tale from the treasure chest of Islamic wisdom.
This story is about truth and how Allah makes it clear, just like separating milk from water. These stories are real, passed down from those who loved the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There once was a man on a ship sailing across the vast ocean. He sold wine to the passengers, something that's haram in Islam. And mixing deceit with haram makes the sin heavier. This man used to cheat people. He would mix water into the wine to make more profit, to earn more with less. But he had a pet monkey, a clever one. One day, while the sea was calm and the sun was high, the monkey stole the man's pouch of gold coins and quickly climbed to the top of the ship's mast. The man panicked. He begged the monkey to come down, to give back the bag. But the monkey did something incredible. He opened the pouch and began to throw the coins one by one into the sea, one back onto the deck, again and again, until exactly half of the coins were gone into the ocean and the other half were saved. It was as if Allah, through the monkey, separated the earnings. But this isn't the only time Allah showed his silent justice. Let me tell you another tale from our own people. There once was a milkman. He sold milk in the village, but always added water to increase his earnings. But what seems smart to people is not always pleasing to Allah. One day, the milkman collected all his earnings and decided to visit a nearby city. On the way, he grew tired and rested under a tree near a riverbank. Up in the tree were many monkeys, and just like before, one monkey quietly snatched his pouch full of money and climbed the tree. When the man awoke, his bag was gone. He looked up and saw the monkey holding it high. He threw coins. A few fell onto the ground, but many dropped into the river until all the money was gone. A wise man passing by saw what happened. He said,
"Look, the money you earned from milk has stayed, but the money from water has gone back to the water. This is Allah's way of making the truth clear."
And that's how Allah makes the truth shine, separating the pure from the impure, the honest from the dishonest. What is earned through lies will never last, but what is gained with truth is always blessed.